Neil here from Clean. We're operating off a boom lift today. We're working on a Porsche showroom in Melbourne. Just want to show you this. We're working on Alucobond cladding, and Alucobond's a bit of a labour of love in that a lot of it has to be done by hand. First job is really to rinse the panels, and that is to really get the surface dirt off, and that's what we're up to here. Second job is going to be application of chemical to the panels, just to clean it up. This is now the application of the chemical. We're using a specific chemical that is on the Alucobond safe list. It's quite a delicate product, and you have to be extremely careful not to use anything abrasive on the Alucobond. Alright, so once the panels have been applicated, then we will be squeegeeing. When you see things like here, you can see there's just little sections of pollen on the paneling, which can be easily removed just with a brush or even a rag. But never ever use anything abrasive on the paneling. And then the final step of the work is for us to actually squeegee every single panel. Okay, well, we'll show you the results as we go. We'll show you the end result at the end. Yeah, so this is an in progress clean video. As you can see, we've done the two top sections of paneling. You can see the difference. You can see it's so much more silvery and smart, and you can see this kind of mottled dirty on the panels below. I hope you can see that clearly. It's the end result. As you can see here, the paneling's just come up beautiful. Looks absolutely schmick, and that's exactly how it should be. So these panels have been really well maintained, which is why we've been able to get the result we have. Sometimes Alucobond is just not cleaned until it's gone really foul, and that makes it a lot harder job to clean. Okay, I hope that's been useful, and hope you enjoyed the video.